Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2001 Mazda 323, stock number 6150. This ran from 0998 to 06 2002. It has a BJ 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by 4-speed automatic transmission. This is a BJ 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 14-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left front door mirror, left rear door 1 dent, left rear 14-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, left rear taillight, rear tailgate has 1 rust spot, right rear taillight, right rear 14-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right rear door no dents, right front headlight, right front 14-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right front door mirror, right front door no dents, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,